Ah, welcome to class. Today is another day that we are learning together. Okay, and today we'll be learning mathematics. So you're welcome. Before I start, I'd love to say if you're just joining us for the first time, please remember to subscribe. Don't forget to press the like button and also remember to share so that others can benefit from the class. You might not know who might need this lesson. So please remember to subscribe. If you haven't done so, remember to press the like button and remember to share. Okay, like I say, today we'll be doing mathematics. And the topic we'll be looking at is addition on a number line, solving addition using number line, addition on a number line. That's what we will be looking at today. So, call up your friends. Let's begin. Okay. And like as I always say, we are doing this together, you and I. And that's how we have this fun. Okay. So today we'll be doing addition using number line. So you can say addition on a number line. So when we talk about number line, how does it look like? Okay, so I'm going to draw it on the board so that we understand what a number line is and how we can use it to solve addition, simple addition. So you're welcome. Hi, you're welcome to the class. And we are doing this together. Hi, welcome to the class. So today is mathematics, like I said before, and we'll be solving addition using number line. Okay, so what is number line? Number line is just a straight line that has numbers on it. Okay, so for today, we're going to see how we use it to solve addition. Maybe next time, that's how we use it to solve subtraction. But for today's class, we are looking at addition on our number line. So welcome to class. Remember to subscribe if you have not done so. Remember to press the like button. And very importantly, remember to share so that others can also benefit from the class. So let's go over to the board and see how we can use number line to solve addition. All right, so let's go. Okay, so we are looking at addition on a number line. All right, this is how it goes. First of all, you you draw a straight line like this. Okay, so and for example, you are given say 3 plus 2 is equals to what? And you're asked to solve this mathematics using a number line. So this is the line. So first of all, when you're given, for example, 3 plus 2 equals to what? and you're asked to solve this mathematics using number line. So the first thing you do is you draw the line. After drawing the line, you put numbers on them. Okay, you put numbers on them. So you can put as long as you can, depending on the equation or the sum that's given unto you. But for starters, okay, so we just did from 0 to 10, okay? So this is what we call number line, and it has numbers on it. Okay, before we solve this mathematics, I want us to understand something. For example, you're solving addition. Just always remember that, for example, um, um, let's use a frog, for example. So when you're asked to solve addition, so you just imagine that the frog is jumping forward, okay? The frog is jumping forward. So that's how we, um, let's use that scenario for addition, okay? So when you're giving addition, let's say the frog is jumping forward. And when it's time for us to talk about subtraction, we talk about that. But for this addition, you just imagine that after drawing the number line, the frog jumps forward. And how does the frog do that? The frog don't just jump, the frog jumps based on the number we have. So now that I've explained these details, we'll go back to the buds. And thank you for the likes. Thank you for the comments. Thank you for joining the class. And you can, invite your friends, share, and let your friends join the class. It's an interesting class, trust me. Okay, remember that we are still on addition using number line. And you'll find it so interesting. It's actually very simple. It's not difficult. So let's go back to the board. We have something to solve there. So this is 3 plus 2, and we are asked to solve it using number line. So I told us, first of all, you draw the line, put numbers on them depending on the equation or question that's given. So we have 0 to 10. Remember, we can write more than that, but for starters, let's just end at 10. So the first number here is 3, okay? The first number here is 3. So say the frog started its jump from here, and how many jumps did the frog do? 2 jumps. So the frog started from the 0 point, down to the place. Okay. Now the frog started the jump from this 0 point to number 3. We have 3 plus 2, so we're starting with 3. Okay. So from this 3, how many jumps did the frog do? Is 2. Okay. So we have 1 from this 3 that we have here. That's the 3. So we have 1 to the next number. So let's say the frog jumps from 3 to the next number. That is 2 times, right? To the next number. Now the frog stopped at number 5. Now remember that when you are doing the frog jump, you must land to the next number. Do not land at the center. Okay, you must learn to the next number. Okay, so we started the jump from number 3 because we have 3 plus 2. So we say jump from number 3, and that's the number 3. And the frog did 2 jumps. So that's 1 to the next number, 2 to the next number, and it stopped at number 5. So 5 is our answer. So we come to the box and write 5. So it's as simple as that. Now, if you want to be sure that for early learners, though, you want to be sure that your answer is accurate. 3 plus 2. 3 plus 2 is what? This is 1, 2, 3, right? 1, 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's our answer is correct. So, but we're not using this. This is what the instruction says. This is what we call solving addition using number line. Is that not interesting? Solving addition using number line. Okay, so that is that. All right, so we've seen a very simple method of solving addition using number line. It is not difficult at all. Let's see another example of how we can solve addition using number line. Okay, so we have, for example, number 2, we have 4 plus 1 is equals to what? And you are asked to solve this mathematics using number line. So what did we say? You are giving 4 plus 1. 4 plus 1, and you are asked to solve the mathematics using number line. The first thing you have to do is to draw your line. So let's draw a line. Make sure you're doing the activity, okay? All right. So let's go to the boards and draw our line. So this is the line. Remember to put your numbers 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You can write as many as you can, depending on the sum you're solving. Okay, so we are starting with number 4, right? We have 4 plus 1. So when you have 4 plus 1, so this is 4. So the frog jumps to 4, and it's only one jump, right? So you just do like this, just 1. It stopped at 5, so our answer is 5. Is that not interesting? Very, very interesting. So 4 plus 1, the frog starts its jump from number 4 and did just one jump because we have 4 plus 1. So when the frog starts its jump from 4, it does only one jump to get the answer. So when it did the long jump, then from 4, just one jump, and it landed on 5. So you come here and write 5. So 5 is our answer. 5 is our answer. Okay, so let's set another example. Number 3. For example, you're asked to solve 10 plus 3 gives you what? Okay, so the first thing you have to do, you draw your number line, okay, and you place numbers on it. As you start with 10, I can actually say 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, all right. So the next thing to do, the frog started its jump at number 10. So this is our number 10. You put a dot to it before you start your jump. Okay. And the frog did how many jumps? 3 jumps. So you start from 10 and count 1, 2, 3. It stopped at 13. So you come to the block and write 1, 3, 13. So that is our answer. So 10 plus 3 gives you 13. 10 plus 3 gives you 13. Oh, that's wonderful. That's really wonderful. It's very, very simple. It's fun solving mathematics using number line. So I would love us to attend to more activities. But before we continue, I would love to say thank you for joining the class. And if you've not subscribed to my channel, please remember to do so. And do not forget to press the like button and remember to share. Thank you very much for joining the class. Thank you for you that have subscribed. Thank you for the likes. And thank you for the comments. Okay. All right. Let's continue. We are going to solve more examples. We're going to solve more examples. So, let's say you're given, uh, let's say 6 plus 4. 6 plus 4 equals to what? Okay. So we have 6 plus 4 equals to what? First thing we should do is what? We draw our number line. Okay. We fix the numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. After fixing the numbers, the next thing you have to do is the frog started its jump from number 6. So you go to number 6 and put a dot on it for starters. Okay. The next thing you do is how many times did the frog jump? 4 times. So let's check it out and see where we'll land. 1, 2, 3, 4. So our answer is 10. You come here and write 10. So 6 plus 4 is 10. When you use number line to solve it, it is very, very easy. Very, very easy. Okay, so that's how I'm going to stop, um, about number line. Now that you've understood how we solve addition using number line, please, you can go and practice it. The best way to learn is when you learn, you practice what you've learned. It helps the knowledge to stick very well. All right. So at this junction, I'd love to say thank you for joining the class. Thank you for joining the class. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for the likes. And please, if you have not subscribed, remember to subscribe, like, and share. Very, very important. It will do you a world of good. So thank you and go be a superstar. Okay, so that's bye for now.